Hi, don't you take measures to optimize your performance during exams? Or how do you think do ants seek the specific path between their colony and food? We always need to optimize things to obtain best possible results by using least possible resources and by reducing losses. Whether it be optimizing different variety of food we put on the plate or let it be the thermal electrohydrodynamic lubrication of line contacts. Sounds interesting, right? There are many methods by which we can find the optimum solution for a function. So here we are. We'll be explaining the optimization of multivariable function by Newton-Raphson method. This project is made by me, Parul Prakriti, Nithya and Gemma Rufina, students of School of Electrical Engineering. Special thanks to Dr. Sridevi ma'am who helped us through this project and guided us whenever we needed the support. The MATLAB code which we have written. First we need to take the input for the objective function from the user, and then we have taken the input for the initial guess which will be in the form of vector xy. Then we have found the partial double derivatives of f with respect to x, y and xy, and then we have found the Hessian matrix fx. It is in this form. I'll show you. J. In this particular form, the Hessian matrix is there. So, in the same way, we have defined it in the MATLAB code. So now we find G1. We just find G1 by substituting the value of initial guess in small g1. After this, we find x. Now for finding x, we simplify x1 minus j inverse into capital G1. So this will be x2 for the first iteration. Now G2 is just substituting the value of x2 in G1. So by that we get G2. And then by the if condition we check that if G2 is equals to 0, then we get the optimum points at x2 and then we break the loop, and if not, then what happens is the iteration again continues, and x1 will be equals to x2. Now I'll be showing you the Word document. Here we have a question which was there in the book. So we obtained the solution of this as -1 and 3 by 2. So this was the particular question which I am copying right now. Now I'll run the program. This is the question and the initial guess was 0, 0. So here we get, so the optimum points what we get is the same. Hessian matrix is this, and the optimum points we get is -1, 3 by 2. So this was the same optimum point which we got for this question, and this is the final result for that particular question. Now I'll again run this code for one particular function and will show you what are the drawbacks of Newton-Raphson method by this example. Now as you can see that for this particular function I did not get any particular optimum point, and the MATLAB is still busy. And see the length of the solution x, like not the solution, one of the iteration steps. So this is the case where Newton-Raphson method fails when there is no point where the solution can be obtained. So that is why I terminated this program. So that's all. Thanks a lot.